Denise Orolfo, First Class Corps Commander. Cadet Captain Jobari Isurena, Second Class Corps S1. Cadet Captain J.M. Santos, Second Class Corps S2. Cadet Major J.R. Abay, Second Class Corps S3. Cadet Captain Angelo Respetos, Second Class Corps S4. Cadet Captain Aldrin de la Cruz, Second Class Corps S7. Major Leader Angelica Abrera. Band Leader Justin Luis Palma, ROTC Company Commander. Cadet Captain Eddie Atoli Jr., Second Class, Company XO. Cadet First Lieutenant Hansel Purisima, Third Class, First Platoon Leader. Lieutenant Matt Cyrus Mendoza, Fourth Class, Second Platoon Leader. Cadet Second Lieutenant Paul Joshua Abuke, Fourth Class, Third Platoon Leader. Cadet Second Lieutenant Mark Louis Risayaga, Fourth Class, ROTC Sponsor Company Commander. Cadet Sponsor Daniela May Dosdos, First Class, Company XO. Cadet Sponsor Mary Rose Balid, Second Class, First Platoon Leader. Cadet Sponsor Ludi Bonita, Fourth Class, WATC Company Commander. Cadet Captain Princess Cerebro, Second Class, Company XO. Cadet First Lieutenant Kimberly Burillo, Third Class, First Platoon Leader. Cadet Second Lieutenant Sofia Sedon, Fourth Class. School Head Dr. Raul G. Bradicina, SUC President. Commandant Major Renato T. Gianan, Infantry, Philippine Army. Band Director Mrs. Elma A. Aquino. Major Trainer Mr. Mark Edgar Peñero. Category 3, Partido State University, ROTC Unit, Partido State University from Goa, Camarines Sur.
Yan po, medyo nasa highlight na kita kan sa tuyang ika-11th Bicol Regional 2019 Military Parade Competition live digdi po sa Plaza Quezon. Atod sa Indo kang 105.5 Idol FM and 1 Media TV 48 Naga. And sa oras na ini, nag-aagi na po ang Partido State University, Army, ROTC, WATC, ROTC sponsor, WATC unit, hali sa Goa, Camarines Sur with the Majorette and Band. Ara mo Irene, kang year 20 or 1995, kita ang nagtutukdo sa mga WATC or sponsors kang University of Nueva Cáceres. Kaya lang mayo naman ngunyan ROTC and WATC sa UNC. Kaya good luck. And next po, halatunta ang paglaog na sa reviewing stand kang Naga College Foundation. Next is University of St. Anthony Iriga and Bicol State College of Applied Science and Technology. Yun na yan na masurunudan. Kaya si mga estudyante po,
Mabalos,
antabay ka mo sa Samuya.
Partido State University, ROTC Unit from Goa, Camarines Sur.
And good afternoon, Key Engineer Nerva, dyan sa City Engineer's
Category
Office.
4, ROTC, Partido State University, ROTC Unit, Goa, Camarines Sur. Corps Commander Staff, Cadet Major Ryan Pupa, Second Class Corps Commander. Cadet Captain James Alarcon, Corps S1. Cadet Captain Benric Gavica, Second Class Corps S2. Cadet Captain John Carlo Bruso, Second Class Corps S3. Cadet Captain Edmar Kumike, Second Class Corps S4. Cadet Captain Al Joshua Senyar, Second Class Corps S7. Major Leader Angelica Abrera. Band Leader Justin Luis Palma, Company Commander. Cadet Captain Jethro Stephen Agapan, Second Class, Company XO. Cadet First Lieutenant Christian Daniel Maniego, 3rd class. First Platoon Leader ROTC, Cadet Second Lieutenant Client Elmar Pedires, 4th class. Second Platoon Leader WATC, Cadet Second Lieutenant Jennifer Arañez, 4th class. School Head Dr. Raul G. Bradicina, SOC President. Commandant Major Renato T. Gianan, Infantry, Philippine Army. Band Trainer Mrs. Elma A. Aquino. Major Trainer Mr. Mark Edgar Pinheiro. Category 4 Partido State University ROTC Unit, Goa, Camarines Sur.
And mga tugang, iyo po yan ang Partido State University, Army ROTC, and WATC from Goa, Camarines Sur under Category 4. And yan po ang sa inyong mga majorette. Si mga nagtatangog sa Idol FM.
Mabalos!
Ang majorette kang
Partido State University,
naka blue and white
ROTC
combination.
Unit, Goa, Camarines Sur, Category 4. Next entry, Category 3, ROTC, Naga College Foundation, Naga City. Corps Commander Staff, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Carla Vasquez, First Class Corps Commander. Cadet Major Henny May Arroyo, 2nd Class Corps G1. Cadet Major Maria Ninita Aborde, 2nd Class Corps G2. Cadet Major Sandra May Maranan, 2nd Class Corps G3. Cadet Major Danny Jean Talagtag, 2nd Class Corps G4. Cadet Major Glyza May Ibarita, 2nd Class Corps G7. Major Leader Trisha Hara, Band Leader Ralph John Presentacion, ROTC Company Commander Cadet Captain Ian Nazaren Obrero, 2nd Class. Company EXO Cadet First Lieutenant Arvin Sulyera, 2nd Class. First Platoon Leader Cadet 2nd Lieutenant Romel Pontaral, 3rd Class. 2nd Platoon Leader Cadet 2nd Lieutenant Richel Brabeje Jr., 2nd Class. 3rd Platoon Leader Cadet 2nd Lieutenant Jerome Descalzo, 3rd Class. ROTC Sponsors Company Commander Cadet Captain Joyce Cabusas, 3rd Class. Company EXO Cadet First Lieutenant Laika Soriano, 3rd Class. First Platoon Leader Cadet 2nd Lieutenant Jennifer Tamayag, 3rd Class. WATC Company Commander Cadet Captain Aimee Globo, 2nd Class. Company EXO Cadet First Lieutenant Gina Dasian, 2nd Class. First Platoon Leader Cadet 2nd Lieutenant Bialin Bermudo, 2nd Class. School Head Mr. Mario Villanueva. Commandant Lieutenant Colonel Ramoncito C. Taboy, FSGSC Philippine Army. Band Director Mr. Benjamin P. Villanueva. Major Trainer Samantha Jean Manlangit. Naga College Foundation, MT Villanueva Avenue, Naga City, Category 3.
And mga tugang, iyaw na po ang entry number 13, 14, and 15, and 16. Ang Naga College Foundation Army ROTC Unit under Category 3, Majorette, Band, and sinusundan kang Naga College Foundation Army ROTC Sponsors, Naga College Foundation Army WATC Unit. And ang Naga College Foundation ROTC WATC Unit under Category 4, Band and Majorette.
kayaw, hindi raw turok-tukan baga.
Ano na kita?
Yan na, wala rin yun.
Mga tugang, padagos po kita sa satuyang live coverage digdi sa Plaza
Mabalos.
Quezon.
Naga College Foundation, Naga City, Category 3.
Yan po ang Naga College Foundation Majorette and Band na nagagi na po ang sa indang mga ROTC, WATC, and sponsors.
Next entry, Category 4, Naga College Foundation, Naga City. Corps Commander Staff, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Blessy Lynn Mapa, First Class Battalion Commander. Cadet Major Marife Duaso, Second Class S1. Cadet Major Beverly Vibal, Second Class S2. Cadet Major Mary Grace Alden, Second Class S3. Cadet Major Maria Teresa Sabina, Second Class S4. Company Commander Cadet Captain Jake Alferez, Second Class. Company XO Cadet First Lieutenant Kimberly Nes Espera, Second Class. School Head Mr. Mario Villanueva, First Platoon Leader ROTC. Cadet Second Lieutenant Noe Nantes Jr., Second Class. Second Platoon Leader WATC. Cadet Second Lieutenant Jaisel Yantos, Second Class. Commandant Lieutenant Colonel Ramonito C. Taboy, FS GSC, Philippine Army. Category 4, Naga College Foundation, Naga City.
So number 26 po, CBS de Calabanga. May tigdag na kaya kami sa Mayo Committee train leader ang bigla.
Yan na po ang sa indang ROTC WATC unit under category 4 and with
Naga College Foundation,
and majorette
Naga City,
non-competing unit ang sa
Category
indang
4. Next entry, Category 3, University of St. Anthony ROTC Unit, Iriga City, Camarines Sur. Corps Commander Staff, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Gerald Tagum, First Class. Corps S1, Cadet Major Christian Dix Cabaltera, Second Class. Corps S2, Cadet Major John Bernard Advincula, Fourth Class. Corps S3, Cadet Major Justin Jordan Laceda, Fourth Class. Corps S4, Cadet Major Christian Felix Marmol, Second Class. Corps S7, Cadet Major Chris Bukad, Second Class. Major Leader Miss Shaina Rabakal. Band Leader Mr. Lloyd Pesebre. Company Commander Cadet Captain Chad Francis Sabas, Second Class. Company XO Cadet First Lieutenant Rooney Villarreal Jr., Second Class. First Platoon Leader, Cadet First Lieutenant Jose Alberto Adviento, 2nd class. Second Platoon Leader, Cadet First Lieutenant Salvador Bom de Lima, the 3rd, 2nd class. Third Platoon Leader, Cadet First Lieutenant Albert Llanes, 2nd class. ROTC Sponsors, Company Commander, Cadet Captain Maris Israel, 4th class. Company XO, Cadet 2nd Lieutenant Rihanna Adel El Madi, 4th class. First Platoon Leader, Cadet 2nd Lieutenant Edel Queen Pukoa, 4th class. WATC Company Commander, Cadet Captain Rafaela L. Lustre, 2nd class. Company XO, Cadet First Lieutenant Janet Arispe, 2nd class. First Platoon Leader, Cadet First Lieutenant Lyra Lu Llanusa, 2nd class. School Head, Attorney Santiago Ortega Jr. Commandant, Lieutenant Colonel Romulo Satparam, OS, GSC Philippine Army. Band Director, Mr. Manuel B. Perez. Major Trainer, Mr. Ryan Mora. Category 3, University of St. Anthony, ROTC Unit, San Miguel, Iriga City.
Mga tugang, yun na po ini ang contingent naghahali po sa Iriga City. Ang University of St. Anthony Army ROTC Unit under Category 3, Majorette and Band. And sinusundan kang University of St. Anthony Army ROTC Sponsor. And susundan po yan kang University of St. Anthony Army WATC Unit. And yaw na po kita sa highlights kang sa tuyang military parade on 11th year. Digdi po sa Naga City. Halos time check, it's now 4:25 in the afternoon, mga ka-idol, and digdi po sa One Media TV 48 Naga. Mahiling mo digdi ang git-gita na kompetisyon kang mga ROTC cadet. And syempre ang sa indang sponsors, inipigihiling digdi itong alignment saka distansya kang kada saro. Medyo critical ang swinging of arms dyan. And syempre ang ice right, pigihiling pa dyan ang proper distance, itong sa indang alignment, swinging of arms, and marching syempre. Tayo ni military dapat sarabay. Okay, ayan po ang hinahanap kan sa tuyang mga board of judges sa ginigibong kompetisyon. And syempre sa mga majorette, nagkaugwa na sindaning pag-judge during the Saturday kang nakaaging semana sa band and majorette. So ini bali pass in the reviewing na lang digdi sa tuyang
University of
reviewing
St.
stand.
Anthony ROTC Unit, Iriga City.
And mga tugang, padagos po kita sa ginigibotang live coverage digdi po sa Plaza Quezon. Sa mga oras na inin, medyo nagbagsak ang oran digdi sa tuyang location. And malaog ang sa indang
entry, Category 4, University of St. Anthony ROTC Unit, Iriga City, 2nd Battalion. Corps Commander and Staff, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel John Mark Bungkayaw, 2nd class. Corps S1, Cadet Major Joanna Salvadora, 4th class. Corps S2, Cadet Major Laika Mia Llagas, 2nd class. Core S3, Cadet Major Judy Ann Valenzuela, 4th class. Core S4, Cadet Major Maria Azinet Saraspe, 4th class. Major Leader, Miss Shaina Rabakal. Band Leader, Mr. Lloyd D. Disembre. Company Commander, Cadet Captain Richard Kent Ramos, 2nd class. Company XO, Cadet First Lieutenant Mark Arnold Nacario, 4th class. First Platoon Leader ROTC, Cadet First Lieutenant Aizer Deans Romosa, 2nd class. Second Platoon Leader OATC, Cadet First Lieutenant Salvi Agravan Bayrante, 2nd class. Commandant, Lieutenant Colonel Romulo Satparam, OS GSC Philippine Army. Band Director, Mr. Manuel D. Perez. Major Senior, Mr. Ryan Mora. University of St. Andre ROTC Unit Iriga City, Category 4.
And yun na po ini ang entry number 20, ang University of St. Anthony Army ROTC WATC Unit kang Iriga City under Category 4. Pabagsak-pagsak ang uran digdi sa samuyang location. Medyo nagbagsak na naman ang uran digdi sa may Plaza Quezon. And abangan po sa aga ang gigibuhon ming coverage kang Peña Francia Festival 2019 Fluvial Procession kang One Media TV 48 Naga and 105.5 Idol FM Naga.
Babanos, University of St. Anthony ROTC Unit Iriga City, Category 4. Masunod, next entry, Category 4. Bicol State College of Applied Sciences and Technology ROTC from Naga City, Corps Commander Staff, Cadet Captain Noel Nagal, 2nd class, Corps Commander. Cadet First Lieutenant Edna Tabilog, 2nd class, Corps XO. Cadet First Lieutenant Pauline De La Vega, 2nd class, Corps S1. Cadet First Lieutenant Liani Flora, Corps S3. Cadet First Lieutenant Marife Castro, 2nd class, Corps S4. Cadet First Lieutenant Renalyn Ilarde, 2nd class, Corps S7. Major Leader Bernadette Tan. Band Leader Dennis Abasola. Company Commander Cadet First Lieutenant Florentino Grajo, 2nd class. Company XO. Cadet First Lieutenant Jasmine Galicia, 2nd class. First Platoon Leader ROTC. Cadet 2nd Lieutenant Joshua Paredes, 4th class. 2nd Platoon Leader WATC. Cadet First Lieutenant Luis Kate Laison, 2nd class. School Head Dr. Richard Cordial. Commandant Colonel Ferozaldo Paul Regencia, Reserve Philippine Army. Band Trainer Salvador Berha. Major Trainer Francis Yuste. This is Majority
This is Majority Competing and Band Non-Competing. Sciences and Technology ROTC from Naga City. From Category 4.
Bicol State College of Applied Sciences and Technology Army ROTC WATC Unit. Ihali po digdi sa Naga City under Category 4 Majorette and Band B. And ang oras sa po niyan, alas 4 na ning alas 4:33 na ni pagkahapon digdi po sa Naga City. And sa lahat ng nanonood sa amin dyan sa Bonglar, India. Tama ba ang pronunciation ko niyan? And dyan sa Calamba, Laguna, good afternoon po. Happy watching dito po sa aming live streaming sa special coverage ng 11th Bicol Regional Military Parade Competition live dito po sa Naga City, Plaza Quezon, sa India. And Laguna, Calamba, Laguna, marami tayong nanonood sa Laguna and Dubai. Thank you very much po for watching and for monitoring
Bicol State College of Applied Sciences and Technology ROTC from Naga City,
Mindanao.
Category 4.
Thank you very much po dyan
Entry, Category 4.
namin sa
Holy
Facebook
Trinity College of Camarines-Sur Army ROTC Unit. From Don Domingo, D. Fortuno, Street Santiago, Bato, Camarines-Sur. Corps Commander Staff. Cadet Captain Johnny Martinez, Corps Commander. Cadet Captain Winnie Atinido, XO. Cadet Captain Mark Cadet Intia, S1. Cadet Captain Nico Naldo, Class S2. Cadet Captain Arjon Dangkalan, S3. Cadet Captain Brian Pagtalunan, S4. Cadet Captain John Daryl Gamaw, S7. Major Leader, Cadet Master Sergeant Lizelle Botor. DLC Leader, Cadet Master Sergeant Ike Renzon Landong, Company Commander. Cadet Captain Ricky Mata, 2nd Class. Company XO, Cadet Captain Jelly Vinegas, 2nd Class. First Platoon Leader ROTC, Cadet Captain John Rinier Piolo, 2nd Class. Second Platoon Leader WATC, Cadet Captain Gilly Argarin, 2nd Class. President Mr. Roberto Palanga. School Directress Mrs. Livina Eligado. ROTC Commandant Lieutenant Colonel Arnel Bautista, Infantry GSC Philippine Army. Midshipman Ensign Larry J. Giruben, Philippine Navy Reserve. DBC Trainer Mr. Abunjo Tige. Major Trainer Mr. Junil Sabularse. Category 4, Holy Trinity College of Camarines-Sur Army ROTC Unit from Bato, Camarines-Sur. Babalos, Holy Trinity College of Camarines-Sur Army ROTC Unit from Bato, Camarines-Sur, Category 4. Next entry, Band and Majorates only, University of Nueva Cáceres, Naga City. Major Leader, Nika Lorraine Nicolas. Band Leader, Veronica Abay. School Head, Dr. Faye Lea Patria Lauraya, President. Band Director, Raymart D. Marticio. Majorette Trainer, Janet Aquino. University of Nueva Cáceres, Naga City, Band and Majorette only.
And mga tugang, approaching po sa tuyang Kinastilloan Street ang Majorette and Band kang University of Nueva Cáceres. And shout out po ako, barkada ko asin na padihon, taga Barangay San Roque, Calabanga, Camarines Sur. Hi dyan sa MCD 10. Si Saini. Iyon po ni ang University of Nueva Cáceres Band and Majorette only. Actually, ining band kang UNC during the band competition na Mike, iyo sindaan nag-champion during the band exhibition. Pero digdi sa may another pa yan, another judging yata. Si pag march, iba man din kaya ang marching band duman sa sa pag-perform. And sa mga nagdadalan po or nagdadangog sa 105.5, syempre ang color kang UNC Majorette red. Ang banda gray with red and gray. Yan po ang University of Nueva Cáceres, and ang sa indang kopya may mga feathers na white sa mga nagdadangog sa 105.5 Idol FM. Good afternoon dyan sa looban na Bayawas, digdi po sa Naga City, kay ako na Mike wala dyan po sa Bayawas, si mga viewers na dyan sa looban sa Bayawas. Good Jarens Vince Eli, Ogmahon na magdala na lalo-lalo na ining mga Majorette kang UNC. Kumusta dyan sa Bayawas? Siguro busy na kamo dyan magluto. Happy Fiesta po sa mga taga-barangay Santa Cruz dyan sa Bayawas Street, Naga City.
University of Nueva Cáceres, Naga City, Band and Majorette only. Next entry. Category 3, Band and Majorette only. Camarines Norte State College, Baet, Camarines Norte. School Head, Rusty Abanto, PhD. Majorette Leader, Lindsay Caro. Band Leader, Ariel Pagtama. Band Director, Froilan Balmaceda. Majorette Trainer, John Dominic Limon. Camarines Norte State College, Baet, Camarines Norte. Band and Majorette only.
And mga tugang, yaw na kita sa category 3 and 4. Contingent number 24, ang Camarines Norte State College. Hali po dyan sa Daet, Camarines Norte. Ini po, band and majorette only. Gandang hapon mga kalodi dyan sa Daet. And hi kay padangat kong na si Marlon kang Kalabanga. Love you po. Buhay aha, may mga love you ha. And ang sa inyo pong nahiling sa inyo na TV screen, yun na po ang contingent number 24 from Daet, Camarines Norte. Majorette and band only ang Camarines Norte State College dyan sa Daet.
Avalos, Camarines Norte State College, Daet, Camarines Norte. Next entry, Category 4, Baao Community College from Baao, Camarines Sur. Corps Commander Staff, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Sharon Veras, Wing Commander. Cadet Major Ruel Paz, Deputy Commander. Cadet Major Edmund Balila, Wing 1. Cadet Major Kier Romano, Wing 2. Cadet Major Jerome Orpesa, Wing 3. Major Leader Joan C. Salvadora. Company Commander, Cadet Major Rick Jason Serio, Company XO. Cadet Major Genesis Magno, 1st Platoon Leader ROTC. Cadet Major Ray Dimaiwat, 2nd Platoon Leader WATC. Cadet Major Jerusa May Asico, School Head Miss Maricel R. Pinheiro, Commandant Staff Sergeant Vicente Loreto Tempaldo, Philippine Air Force. Major Trainer Roy C. Mirando, Hilda B. Babol, Lucille A. Victorino, and STP ROTC Coordinator. Baao Community College from Baao, Camarines Sur, Category 4.
And yaw na po kita sa entry number 25 under Category 4, ang Baao Community College Air Force ROTC WATC Unit. Category 4, Majorette DLC DBC from Baaw, Camarines Sur. And may mga messages po digdi sa Satuya. Maray na hapon po, malinawon talaga ang coverage nindo igdi sa Kiburak. Advance happy birthday kay Margie of Bombon. Kala ko halit sa Bombon. Bombom Espiritu. And Nora Balarda Espiritu. Diyan sa Bula. With love, Mama. Hello kay Ronnie Collis and Sherin Collis. Happy birthday. Hali po yan sa imong mama.
Mabalos, Baaw Community College, Philippine Air Force ROTC Unit, Baaw, Camarines Sur, Category 4. Next entry. Category 4. Central Bicol State University of Agriculture, Calabanga Campus, Philippine Air Force ROTC Unit from Santa Cruz, Ratay, Calabanga, Camarines Sur. All Commanders Staff. Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Joseph Cantor, Corps Commander. Cadet Major Ricky Viola, Deputy Commander. Cadet Major Emmanuel Fermanes, Wing 1. Cadet Major Joseph Sabalan, Wing 2. Cadet Major Nomer Ruby, Wing 3. Cadet Major Charlie Oreste, Wing 4. Major Leader Maria Kate Agnes Soroan. Band Leader John Paul Silencio. Company Commander Cadet Captain Vanessa Jane Lagarde. Company EXO Cadet Captain Mark Joras Lona. First Platoon Leader ROTC Cadet Captain Raymark Artista. Second Platoon Leader WATC Cadet Captain Ruth Tarala. School Head Dr. Helen Madela. Campus Administrator Mr. Ernesto Doloso Jr. OSAS Director. Commandant Colonel Gerald Daldosa, Philippine Air Force GSC. Band Trainer Dandy Darius Moralde. Major Trainer Jennifer Perez. Central Bicol State University of Agriculture, Calabanga Campus Philippine Air Force ROTC Unit, Calabanga, Camarines Sur.
And mga tugang, yaw na kita sa entry number 26. Hali sa banwaan kang Calabanga, Camarines Sur. Under Category 4, Central Bicol State University of Agriculture 328. DAST Air Force ROTC WATC Unit. And mga tugang, iyan po ang sa indang mga majorette. Sinusundan kang sa indang band. And followed by their Air Force ROTC and WATC Unit. Check, it's now 4:25, 4:52 na pala. Alas 4:50 na po ng pagkahapon.
Central Bicol State University of Agriculture, Calabanga Campus, Philippine Air Force ROTC Unit, Calabanga, Camarines Sur.
10 pang eskwelahan ang maagi. Ay, man, bali ang iba palang digdig clustered school, kaya ang eskwela na lang anom na lang na eskwelahan. Okay.
On behalf of the youth.
Camarines Norte School of Law, Arts and Sciences, Philippine Air Force ROTC Unit, Talisay, Camarines Norte. Corps Commander and Staff, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel John Mark Kaluban. Corps Commander, Cadet First Lieutenant John Mark Kaluban. Deputy Commander,
Cadet First Lieutenant Rona May Danis, Wing 1. Cadet First Lieutenant Ruchel Mabesa, Wing 2. Cadet First Lieutenant Ronalyn Barbecho. First Class, Cadet First Lieutenant Angelito Halimaw, Wing 4. Squadron Commander, Cadet First Lieutenant Marvin Cirillo, Second Class. Squadron XO, Cadet First Lieutenant Mila Jane Pena, Second Class. First Flight Leader ROTC, Cadet First Lieutenant Aldin Joey Opeda, First Class. Second Flight Leader WATC, Cadet First Lieutenant Lizelle Idita, First Class. School Head Attorney Andres Romel de Jesus, Commandant Lieutenant Colonel Danilo Martinez, Philippine Air Force TSC. Camarines Norte School of Law, Arts and Sciences, Philippine Air Force ROTC Unit, Barangay Itumang, Talisay, Camarines Norte, Category 4. Camarines Norte School of Law, Arts and Sciences, Philippine Air Force ROTC Unit, Talisay, Camarines Norte. Next entry, Category 3. Camarines Sur Polytechnic Colleges, 341st ROTC Unit, Corps Commander and Staff. Cadet Colonel Laika Marie Pagayunan, First Class. Probationary Second Lieutenant J. Mark Llagas, Third Class. Probationary Second Lieutenant Joven Lucena, Third Class. Probationary Second Lieutenant Rose Ann Basagre, Third Class. Probationary Second Lieutenant Joshua Baksain, Third Class. Probationary Second Lieutenant Mark Dandy Gonzalez, Third Class. Major Leader Aisha Abdullah Abdul Wahab, Band Leader John Wayne Kapangyarihan, ROTC Company Commander. Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Freddy Absalon. Company EXO, Cadet Captain Jasril Tiaba. First Platoon Leader, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel John Michael Tanay. Second Platoon Leader, Cadet Captain John Philip Dilima. Third Platoon Leader, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Julius Soltes. ROTC Sponsors, Company Commander Mitsipuman Julina Aguila. Company EXO, Mitsipuman Arlette Gaspi. First Platoon Leader, Mitsipuman Tracy May Lurin. WATC Company Commander Cadet Captain Maricris Espinola. Company EXO, Provisionary Second Lieutenant Mary Lou Balbuena. First Platoon Leader, Provisionary Second Lieutenant Angelica Milan. School Head Dr. Charlito Cadag. Commandant Commander John Divilla, Philippine Navy GSC. Band Director Engineer Renato Cernande. Major Senior Mr. Noel Lopez. Camarines Sur Polytechnic Colleges 341st Naval ROTC Unit.
And mga tugang padagos kita kang sa tuyang live coverage digdi po sa Plaza Quezon.
341st Naval ROTC Unit.
And yan po ang contingent number 28, 29, and 30. Ang Camarines Sur Polytechnic Colleges 341st Naval ROTC Sponsor, ROTC Unit. Naval WATC Unit sa Banwaan kang Nabwa, Camarines Sur. And halos madali na kita sa katapusan na, Mike. Ano na lang.
Next entry, Category 4. Camarines Sur Polytechnic Colleges 341st Naval ROTC Unit, San Miguel, Nabwa, Camarines Sur. Call Commander Staff Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Jessa Hapson. Provisionary Second Lieutenant Ronel Delgaco. Provisionary Second Lieutenant John Nel Caigas. Provisionary Second Lieutenant Erwin Bubis. Provisionary Second Lieutenant Dexter Bartolay. Major Leader Aisha Abdullah Abdul Wahab. Band Leader John Wayne Kapangyarihan. Company Commander Cadet Captain Dan Vincent Landong. Company EXO Cadet Captain John Lawrence Sason. First Platoon Leader ROTC Provisionary Second Lieutenant Geno Andrew Sumayaw. Second Platoon Leader WATC Provisionary Second Lieutenant Hazel Joy Gunawon. School Head Dr. Charlito Cadag. Commandant Commander John Divilla. Band Trainer Engineer Renato Cernande. Major Trainer Mr. Noel Lopez. Camarines Sur Polytechnic Colleges 341st Naval ROTC Unit, San Miguel, Nabwa, Camarines Sur.
Okay, yung giraray po ni ang Camarines Sur Polytechnic College's 341st Naval ROTC hali sa Banwaan, Kanabwa. Ini po ang
Salamat.
sendang ROTC
Camarines Sur
Unit.
Polytechnic Colleges Naval ROTC Unit Category 4.
And sa mga oras na ini, nagbuhos
Next
na naman
entry,
ang
Category
uran
3.
digdi sa Plaza Quezon.
Mariners Polytechnic Colleges Foundation Coast Guard Auxiliary Training Corps Unit. Baras Kanaaman, Camarines Sur, Corps Commander Staff, Midshipman Captain Ilisar Suplicanya, Officer First Class, Corps Commander, Midshipman Insin Novel de la Cruz, Fourth Class, Midshipman Insin Ian Salting, G2, Midshipman Insin Mark Andre Tunghi, Fourth Class, G3, Midshipman Insin James Ryan Abad, G4, Midshipman Insin John Ismail Camara, G5, Midshipman Insin Ericsin Brizuela, G6, Major Leader, Midshipwoman Princess Jane Protado, Band Leader, Midshipman Jelson Usiana, ROTC Company Commander, Midshipman Lieutenant Commander Mark Joseph Alvaro, Second Class. Company EXO, Midshipman Lieutenant Commander Nino Joseph Orolfo. First Platoon Leader, Midshipman Lieutenant Commander Kurt Allen Corporal. Second Platoon Leader, Midshipman Ensign Jake Amado, Fourth Class. Third Platoon Leader, Midshipman Lieutenant Commander Gerald David. ROTC Sponsors, Company Commander, Midshipwoman Lieutenant Senior Grade Crisel Camain. Company EXO, Midshipwoman Ensign Nico Clidoro. First Platoon Leader, Midshipwoman Ensign Faith San Carlos. WATC Company Commander, Midshipwoman Ensign Dana Veronica. Company EXO, Midshipwoman Ensign Alexandria Del Miguez. First Platoon Leader, Midshipwoman Ensign Sharina Fe Mariscal. School Head, Captain Marilisa Ampuan, PCGA, and Commodore Gabriel Jimenez, PCGA. Commandant, Lieutenant Commander Elmer Dimaiwat, PCGA. Commander Carlos Eusebio Oliva, PCGA Assistant Commandant. Band Director Edgar Esplana and Carl Nino Hernandez, Assistant Band Director. Major Senior Francis Leo Abejo and Napoleon Molina, Assistant Major Trainer. Mariners Polytechnic Colleges Foundation Coast Guard Auxiliary Training Corps Unit, Baras Kanaaman, Camarines Sur, Category 3.
And mga tugang, yaw na po digdi sa satuyang reviewing stand ang majorette, followed by ang sa indang band kang Mariners Polytechnic Colleges Foundation 902nd Coast Guard ROTC hali po sa Baras Kanaaman, Camarines Sur under Category 3 with majorette and band. And sinusundan po yan kan sa indang 902nd Coast Guard ROTC sponsors from Baras Kanaaman, Camarines Sur, and Mariners Polytechnic Colleges Foundation 902nd Coast Guard WATC Unit digdi po sa Baras Kanaaman, Camarines Sur. Sa mga nagdadangog po sa tuya sa 105.5, halos iyon na po ini ang last competing contingent, ang Mariners Polytechnic Colleges Foundation from Baras Kanaaman, and followed by the Mariners from Rawis, Legazpi City. Halatunta na lang po ang Baras Kanakman and from Rawis, Legazpi City of Mariners Polytechnic Colleges Foundation.
Next entry, Category 4, Mariners Polytechnic Colleges Foundation, Coast Guard Auxiliary Training Corps Unit, Baras Kanakman, Camarines Sur, Corps Commander Staff, Midshipman Lieutenant Commander Praxides Joseph, Midshipman Ensign Lorenzo Al Prudence, 4th Class G1, Midshipman Ensign Visitacion Jeric G2, Midshipman Ensign Atencia Aaron G3, Midshipman Ensign Danila Dani G4, Midshipman Ensign Clotario Emeron G5, Midshipman Ensign Quadrante Xavier Charles G6, Major Leader Midshipwoman Princess Jane Clotado, Band Leader Midshipman Jairelson Oceana, Company Commander Midshipman Lieutenant Commander Competente Jason, 2nd Class, Company EXO Midshipman Ensign Almonte Jason, 4th Class, 1st Platoon Leader ROTC Midshipman Lieutenant Commander Salcedo Mark Luis, 2nd Platoon Leader WATC Midshipwoman Ensign Bulalakaw Faith, 4th Class, School Head Captain Marilisa J. Ampuan PCGA and Commodore Gabriel Jimenez PCGA. Commandant Lieutenant Commander Elmer Di Maiwa PCGA, Commander Carlos Eusebio Uliba PCGA Assistant Commandant, Band Trainer Edgar Estrada and Carl Nino Hernandez Assistant Director, Major Sailor Francis Leo Abejo. Mariners Polytechnic Colleges Foundation Coast Guard Auxiliary Training Corps Unit from Baras Kanakman, Camarines Sur, Category 4.
And mga tugang, yaw na po kita sa entry number
Mamanos
35.
Mariners Polytechnic Colleges Foundation Coast Guard Auxiliary Training Corps Unit, Baras Kanakman, Camarines Sur.
Ang Mariners Polytechnic Colleges Foundation Coast Guard ROTC WATC Unit, hali po sa Baras Kanakman, under Category 4.
Next entry, Category 4, 901st Coast Guard Auxiliary Officer Training Corps Unit, Mariners Polytechnic Colleges Foundation, Legazpi City. Corps Commander Staff, Brigade Commander, Captain Gerald D. Cruz, 1st Class, G1, Midshipman Commander Aldroyd D. Guzman, Midshipman Commander Emil Braceno, G2, Midshipman Commander Adrian Diaz, G3, Midshipman Commander
Jerome Anton Briton, G4. Midshipman Commander Loel Concepcion, G5. Major Leader Mary K. Ebrada. Band Leader John Ace Ebrada. Company Commander Midshipman Commander Juni Nerba, 1st Class. Company EXO Midshipman Lieutenant Senior Grade Howard Manzanero. 1st Platoon Leader ROTC Midshipman Lieutenant Senior Grade John Excel Bien. School Head Merly Jimenez San Pedro.
Commandant Captain Stephen James Bingo, PCGA. Band Trainer BJ Absenwe. Major Trainer Andy Campo. 901st Coast Guard Auxiliary Officer Training Corps Unit, Mariners Polytechnic Colleges Foundation, Rawis, Legazpi City.
And mga tugang, iyon ay po yan ang last competing contingent under category 4. Number 36 competing contingent, Mariners Polytechnic.
Mabalos, Mariners Polytechnic Colleges, Rawis, Legazpi City. Viva la Virgen! Viva la Virgen! Iyan! Thank you, Mariners Polytechnic Colleges Foundation, Rawis, Legazpi City. Viva la Virgen!
Sa oras na alas 5:17, tinatapos na po ang ika-11 Bicol Regional Military Parade.
Nagbuong kita
Alas 7 aga.
Matapos kita alas 7 Banggi.
May
Kamay awarding pa kita. Yan, sana. 7 to 7.
We wish to thank our media partners, our TV partners, One Media, TV48 Naga, GMA7, ABS-CBN, PBN TV5, our social media partners,
DHTV, Naga Smiles to the
Patapos na
World,
po ang
Las Cuatserong Irigenyo, Naga
nandun na
City
lang
Tech,
ang satuyang
our print
awarding.
media, the Philippine Information
Hindi po sa
Agency,
ginigibong,
Bicol Reporter, Bicol Mail,
sa
and the
ginigibong,
Philippine Daily
parade.
Inquirer. And we wish to thank our corporate sponsors.
the solemn feast of our Blessed Mother Peña Francia. Viva la Virgen!
Andam na? Naga na? Viva la Viren! We will now award the Best Marching Unit ROTC Category 3. Alright?
Ano muna ini? ROTC. Okay. So, okay. Category 3.
Fifth place.
Fifth place.
With an average score of
86.28%. Nakapaduman po sa
bago ta apodon partner ang fifth place, si representante po kan Kabarali sa ROTC Category 3 mag-andam na po kamo.
Demi na outro nini ang awarding.
Yan. Fifth place with an average score of 86.28 goes to
Partido College, Goa.
Partido College, Goa, Camarines Sur.
Fourth place.
Third place with an average score of
86.32. Dikit na ba kayo?
napaduman sa
Partido State University, Goa.
third place
Third place.
with an average score of 87.12.
With an average score of 87.12 goes to
Central Bicol State University of Agriculture, CBSUA, Pili, Camarines Sur.
Maura ning makusog. Saga.
Viva la Viren! Second place
Second place
with an average score of 88.40
goes to
the University of St. Anthony, Iriga City. And our first placer,
first place
Best Marching Unit ROTC Category 3
with an average score of 89.42% goes to
Mariners Polytechnic Colleges Foundation, Baras, Canaaman, Camarines Sur.
Viva la Viren! Viva la Viren! Tanganing magpundo ang oran.
We will now proceed to the Best Marching Unit ROTC Category 4. Labo-labuhon tanan ni partner. Matatapos kitang alas 7.
Fifth place with an average score of 86.29% goes to
Naga College Foundation, Naga City. Fourth place
with an average score of 86.33% goes to
Pili Capital College Incorporated, Pili, Camarines Sur.
third place with an average score of 86.86% goes to
Partido State University, Goa, Camarines Sur.
Kamo, ano bigyan natin do? First place Achan.
Category ano kamo? Category 2.
Category 2 Achan.
Category 2.
Halata.
Second place
with an average score of 87.06%
goes to
Holy Trinity College of Camarines Sur.
Bato, Camarines Sur.
Bato.
Asin ang pinakamatibay magmarcha sa ROTC Category 4 with an average score of 87.05%. 92.38
goes to University of St. Anthony, Iriga City. Digdi naman po kita sa Best Marching Unit sa ROTC sponsors.
Best Marching Unit ROTC sponsors. Fifth place, with an average score of 91.25, goes to
University of St. Anthony, Iriga City.
Fourth place, with an average score of 91.40, goes to
Camarines Sur, Polytechnic Colleges, Napua Campus.
Third place, with an average score of 91.50, goes to
Naga College Foundation, NCF.
Second place, with an average score of 92.35, goes to
Mariners Polytechnic Colleges Foundation, Baras, Kanaman, Camarines Sur.
Asin ang pinakamatibay na ROTC sponsors marching unit with an average score of 93.50. Napaduman sa
Partido State University, Goa.
We will now award the Best Marching Unit WATC. Fifth place, with an average score of 90.98, goes to
Camarines Sur Polytechnic Colleges, Napua, Camarines Sur.
Fourth place, with an average score of 91.46, goes to
Holy Trinity College of Camarines Sur, Bato. Holy Trinity College of Bato, Camarines Sur.
Third place, with an average score of 91.50, goes to
Partido State University, Goa.
Second place, with an average score of 92.15, goes to third place with an average score of 91.50, Partido State University, Goa, Camarines Sur. Second place with an average score of 92.15, goes to
Baao Community College.
And our Best Marching Unit WATC, with an average score of 92.50, goes to
University of St. Anthony, Iriga City.
Alright, we're down.
Diyan na po, tinatapos ang satuyang awarding
sa ROTC Category 3. 20 pa sana, 180 pa. Best Marching Band, Majorettes, Category A. Best Marching Band, Category A.
Category A.
Fifth place, with an average score of 88.028, goes to
Camarines Sur National High School,
Naga City.
Naga City. Bata kamay, Viva la Virgen! Good.
Fourth place, with an average score of 89.155, goes to
Central Bicol State University of Agriculture, Pili, Camarines Sur.
third place, with an average score of 89.163, goes to
Camarines Sur Polytechnic Colleges, Nabua, Camarines Sur. Mayong reaksyon ng tahaw, iba ang pigahalat ka niya. Viva la Virgen!
second place, with an average score of 91.16, goes to
Mariners Polytechnic Colleges Foundation, Ganakman, Camarines Sur.
and our best marching band, Majorettes for Category A, with an average score of 93.13, goes to
University of St. Anthony, Iriga City, Manginaray.
And our overall champion for Category 3, ROTC, with 2 awards for Majorettes Band, 1 trophy, 1 for Army ROTC, 2 for ROTC sponsors, and 1 trophy for our overall.
And our overall champion for Category 4. First place in Majorette, second place in Band, first place in ROTC Category 4, first place in WATC Category 4, and siyempre, napanawan sa University of St. Anthony, Iriga City. Bago kita magpanagos, bawat pong pasalamatan ang mga naging katuwang niyamo sa Kabalikat Bicol, Kabalikat Civicom 143, and PFARCIL Incorporated, and Philippine Eagles Club, Uswag Riders, Eagles Club, Libmanan Rescue, Savers o Saver Rescue, ACES Incorporated, REACT, Police Hotline Movement, Nuwax Pili, Nuwax Partido, as in all reservists from Army, Air Force, Navy, and Coast Guard. And syempre, special mention po sa Naga City Police Office. Salamat na maray po sa Indogabos sa pagtabang ng aning maging magayagaya, Nuninong ang Satuyang Military Parade. Best Marching Unit, Band, Category A, sa Banda. Place with an average score of 91.16 goes to Camarines Sur Polytechnic Colleges, Nabua. Camarines Sur, Nabua. Fourth place with an average score of 92.16. Average score of 92.156. Kaglaroon ko partner, pa 0.0 lang ang lamang. Kaya sunod. Oh, ticket lang reference diferensya, ha?
Dikit lang diferensya.
Third sa fourth. Gabi lang, gabi.
Yan.
Fourth
Place goes to
CBSUA, Central Bicol State University of Agriculture,
Pili, Camarines Sur.
Pili Campus.
Third place with an average score of 92.158 goes to
University of Nueva Cáceres, Naga City.
second place with an average score of 94.50 goes to
University of St. Anthony, Iriga City. Mayo! Tapos na! Hanggang second place lang.
second.
First place na? May first place mo pala.
Best Marching Unit Band with an average score of 95.161 goes to
Tama ka! Mariners Polytechnic Colleges, Baras.
We'll now proceed to the awarding of the Best Marching Band Majorettes Category B. Fifth place with an average score of 86.162 goes to
Central Bicol State University of Agriculture, Calabanga, Camarines Sur.
If the majorette leaders are around, kindly receive the trophy. If Mayo, okay na. Maski si Isay.
Fourth place.
Fourth place with an average score of 87.158 goes to
Bicol State College of Applied Sciences and Technology, Naga City, BISCAS.
Third place with an average score of 88.086 goes to
Partido College, Goa, Camarines Sur.
Second place with an average score of 89.138 goes to
Nabwa National High School, Nabwa, Camarines Sur.
And our Best Marching Band Majorettes Category B goes to with an average score of 89.165. First place goes to
Mariners Polytechnic Colleges Foundation, Rawis, Legazpi City.
We will now award the Best Marching Unit Band Category B. Fifth place with an average score of 87.35 goes to
Partido College, Goa.
Third place with an average score of 88.38 goes to
Moises Fernandez Senior Pioneer High School, Incorporated. Hali naman sa presentasyon, Camarines Sur.
third place with an average score of 90.155 goes to
Partido State University, Goa.
Second place, with an average score of 92.160, goes to
Mariners Polytechnic Colleges Foundation,
Legazpi City. And our best marching unit, band, category B. First place with an average score of 95.20 goes to
Nabua National High School, Nabua, Camarines Sur.
Yaw na kita matugang sa pinaka-disiplinadong ROTC unit sa Category 3. Fifth place with an average score of 90.31 goes to
Camarines Sur Polytechnic Colleges, Nabua.
Fourth place with an average score of 90.32 goes to
Central Bicol State University of Agriculture, Pili, Camarines Sur.
third place with an average score of 90.40 goes to
Naga College Foundation, Naga City.
second place with an average score of 90.47 goes to
University of St. Anthony, Iriga City.
Asin ang pinakadisiplinadong ROTC Unit Category 3 na puon sakod sa pag-abot tigding na may score na 92.45 napaduman sa
Mariners Polytechnic Colleges Foundation, Canacban, Camarines Sur.
Most disciplined ROTC Unit Category 4. Fifth place with an average score of 89.46 goes to
Camarines Norte School of Law, Talisay, Camarines Norte. Taga Talisay.
Fourth place with an average score.
Ay na si taga Talisay. Ayan.
With an average score of 90.25 goes to
Bicol State College of Applied Sciences and Technology, Naga City, Viscas.
third place with an average score of 90.33 goes to
Mariners Polytechnic Colleges, Legazpi City.
second place with an average score of 90.36 goes to
Partido State University, Goa, Camarines Sur.
average score of 90.42 goes to
University of St. Anthony, Iriga City.
Announcement. Kung isay po ang nakahiling kay Koji Namoro, Julie Namoro, si mama po nindo yaon duman sa skating rink, hinahanap po kamo. Yaon po sa ICP.
Yan po, yan. May ICP yan. Yan. Viva la Virgen! Viva la Virgen! Pamalas po sa inyo na boss. Yan na lang tinatapos at ito yung awarding sa ROTC. Pinawag kita sa
Category A.
Ano yan?
Best Marching Majorettes. Category A, High School Level.
Ayan na, piganat dito. Isa yung high school degree. High school kan 1940.
10th place. With an average score, ini partner, ang mga diferensya po dito, 0.01, 0.02, 0.03, 0.002.
Yan, kaya di magmundo, kundi nakakuha ang trophy, magaganda lang.
Yan. Mga majorettes, mag-andam na. Under this category, 10th place. With an average score of 90.058. Goes to
Presentasyon, National High School Presentasyon. Tama rin na so.
Alright, 9th place. With an average score of 90.065. Goes to
Santa Lugorda High School, Kabusaw, Camarines Sur. Bilis ni.
8th place. With an average score of 90.092. Goes to
Olo Norte High School, Sipokot, Camarines Sur.
Seventh place with an average score of 90.102. Nabadumansa,
Lupi National High School, San Fernando, Camarines Sur.
sixth place with an average score of 90.125. Nabadumansa,
Colegio del Santísimo Rosario, Libmanan, Camarines Sur. Sige na. Padyan namin, sakit na.
fifth place with an average score of 90.130. Nabadumansa,
Bonifacio Di Boribor Senior High School,
Karamoan, Camarines Sur. Ay, ini talaga, bakit nainot na ini? Third place with an average score of 91.083. Nabadumansa,
San Antonio High School, National High School, Iriga City.
third place with an average score of 91.132 goes to
San Isidro National High School, Libmanan, Camarines Sur. Ayos na. Bilis, bilis. Third place, San Isidro National High School will now proceed to second place with an average score of 92.122. Goes to La Consolacion College of Bao. Bao, Camarines Sur. Asin ang pinakamatibay ng mga majorettes pag-abot sa pagmarcha sa Category A with a score of 92.139. Naman naman sa San Rafael National High School, Tigaon, Camarines Sur. We will now proceed to the winners to the Best Marching BBC Lyre Corps under Category A. Third place with an average score of 89.121 goes to La Consolacion College of Bao. Bao. This is Category A. Ninth place with an average score of 89.138 goes to San Antonio National High School, Iriga City. Oh, bilis, bilis. Eighth place with an average score of 89.143 goes to Lagunoy High School. From Lagunoy, Camarines Sur. Lagunoy. Seventh place with an average score of 90.002 goes to Sacred Heart Academy, Garche Torena, Camarines Sur. Sixth place with an average score of 90.060 goes to Tomas Avila Andaya Senior National High School, Ragay, Camarines Sur. Fifth place with an average score of 90.104 goes to Presentacion National High School. Presentacion, Camarines Sur. Okay. Fifth place. Fifth place. Fifth place. Yan. Fourth place with an average score of 91.023 goes to Sipokot National High School, Sipokot, Camarines Sur. Third place with an average score of 93.098 goes to nakapaduan sa Sina Atulay Moreno Integrated School, Daet, Camarines Norte. Daet.
place, ang pinakamatibay na DBC Lower Core Category A. With an average score of 95.146 goes to
Pamplona National High School. Pamplona, Camarines Sur. Oh, dali.
Viva la Virgen! Viva el Divino Rostro! Best Marching Majorettes Category B.
Oh, dali na si... Okay na. Pamplona! Ano?
Pamplona High School.
Okay na.
Best Marching Majorettes Category B. 10th place with an average score of 89.078. Ang eskwelahan ni partner.
Oh!
Alright, meantime, 10th place with an average score of 89.078. Napadumansa
San Ramon High School, Bula, Camarines Sur.
ang eskwelahan ni Roy San Ramon.
Oh, ayun natin display din doon.
9th place. Partner, kumisa na kong nari sa partner sa Best Marching Majorettes Category B. Ang gabos na ng gana kung bakong santo pangaran ni ina. O may cue na kamo ha. Oo. Pag ang pangaran ng eskwelahan ng Santo, kabali ka mo nigdi. 9th place with an average score of 89.084 goes to
San Agustin Integrated School, Limon, Albay.
Place with an average score of 89.095 goes to
Goa Science High School, Goa, Camarines Sur.
7th place with an average score of 90.098 goes to
Ragay National Agricultural and Fisheries School,
Ragay, Camarines Sur. 6th place with an average score of 90.099 goes to
San Jose National High School,
San Jose, Camarines Sur. 5th place with an average score of 90.152 goes to
Malawag National High School, Nabua, Camarines Sur.
Malawag National High School. 4th place with an average score of 91.062. Napadamansa
La Consolacion College of Diet, Camarines Norte. Diet Camarines Norte. Viva la Virgen! Viva el Divino Rostro!
3rd place with an average score of 91.076 goes to Perpetual Health National High School, Iriga City. Second place with an average score of 91.135, Eskwelahan mo Giraray. Hindi ko lang aram kung may mga nagpapalayong ng eroplano. Dapat naman sa San Ramon Pilot National High School, Lagnoy, Camarines Sur. San Ramon Pilot National High School, Lagunoy, Camarines Sur. And our best marching majorettes under category B with an average score of 92.020 goes to Blessed Name of Mary Learning School, Pili, Camarines Sur.
And mga tugang, balik kita sa satuyang ginigibong live coverage digdi po sa halos patapos ng 11th Bicol Regional Military Parade. Ani po digdi sa Plaza Quezon, ang satuyang Temporary Broadcasting Center.
Taamot pa! Kailan pa yan? 80, 90.
Almost going to closing na for the awarding.
Category B, 10th place with an average score of 88.103. Naman naman sa Tanday High School, Dabua, Camarines Sur. 9th place with an average score of 88.140. Naman sa Concepcion Pequeña National High School, Naga City. Naga Concepcion. Ayan. 8th place with an average score of 88.144 goes to Manawag National High School, Dabua. Malawag. 7th place with an average score of 89.025 goes to Rodriguez National High School, Pili, Camarines Sur. 6th place with an average score of 89.042 goes to Governor Mariano E. Villafuerte High School, Pili, Camarines Sur. 5th place with an average score of 89.084 goes to Dato National High School, Savoy, Camarines Sur. 100 pang trophy, 100 110. Tada. 5th place, Nato National High School, Sangay, Camarines Sur. 4th place, with an average score of 89.095, goes to Panayuna National High School, Tinambak, Camarines Sur. Panayuna National High School, Tinambak, Camarines Sur. 3rd place, with an average score of 90.016, goes to Santa Cruz National High School, Canaban, Camarines Sur. Second place, with an average score of 90.033, goes to
Bui, St. Joseph Academy Incorporated, Bui, Camarines Sur.
Asin ang pinakamatibay na marching DBC Lyre Corps Category B with an average score of 92.056 goes to
Napaduman sa Sina Atulaan.
La Consolacion College of Daet, Camarines Norte.
And mga tugang, ongoing ang ginigibong awarding ceremony sa nangyari pong 11th Peña Francia Military Parade.
This marching unit,
Hindi po sa Naga City.
Category 1. Si Camarales sa CAT Boys Category 1. 10th place. O, kadagman digdi, mga santo na naman ang mga partner, kaya makarandam na. Okay. 10th place with an average score of 86.84% goes to La Consolacion College of Daet, Camarines Norte. Paano ginana yan?
Sampulo.
La Consolacion, Daet. Okay? Kuya, ako na. Ninth place, with an average score of 87.46, goes to
Goa National High School, Goa, Camarines Sur.
Pirang oras na kita digdi ay.
8th place, with an average score of 87.50, goes to
Lamhay, Camarines Sur National High School, Davao City.
Bago mo na magturo.
7th place, with an average score of 87.53, goes to
Santa Lucata National High School, Cabusao, Camarines Sur.
6th place, with an average score of 7th place, Santa Lucata National High School, Cabusao, Camarines Sur. 6th place, with an average score of 87.76, goes to
Perpetual Health National High School, Iligan City. Oh, please. Perpetual Health.
5th place, with an average score of 87.80. Double time sa pagkuhaning award.
Double time na
Sa Picados Pabuting Trophy, 100 pa. 5th place, with an average score of 87.80, goes to
Tanday High School, Cabang, Camarines Sur.
10th place, with an average score of 88.17.
Also,
Lahat National Vocational High School, Lagunoy, Camarines Sur. 11th Marching Unit CAT Girls. Category 1. 10th place. With an average score of 88.65 goes to Camarines Sur National High School, Naga City. 9th place. With an average score of 88.68 goes to Nagdamay High School, Nabua, Camarines Sur. 8th place. With an average score of 88.85 goes to La Conservation College of Ballet. 7th place. With an average score of 88.87 goes to Perpetual Helmo High School, Iriga City. 6th place. With an average score of 88.88 goes to
Makakorbada, ano? Pwede ko ta.
6th place. With an average score of 88.88 goes to Santo Domingo Institute, Nabua, Camarines Sur. 5th place. With an average score of 88.95% goes to Lahat National Regional High School, Labdoy, Camarines Sur. With an average score of 90.50 goes to Goa National High School. Representative of Goa National High School. Okay. 3rd place. Goa. 3rd place. With an average score of 91.90 goes to Blessed Name of Mary Learning School, Piling, Camarines Sur. Viva la Virgen! 2nd place. With an average score of 92.10 goes to
Diligan mo lang.
College of Rinconada, Iriga City.
Unahan mo lang mainit na ko.
Nakonsolasyon Iriga. And our best marching unit CAT girls under category 1 with an average score of 92.55.
Baka ini ang
Ang sa syudad ng Naga.
Naipit ka lang.
Ang pinag-alabanan, ang pinaka-disiplinadong unit under category 1. Public schools.
Human man sa ibaba o guwaman, idarata na digdi. Ano mo na, idarata na digdi. Luman naman eh.
Six minutes with an average score of 90.61 goes to the National Vocational High School, Laboratory Camarines Sur. Fifth place with an average score of 90.82 goes to Moreno Integrated School, Camarines Norte. Moreno Integrated School of Gaya, Camarines Norte. Fourthly, with an average score of 90.93 goes to Perpetual Health High School, Iligan City. Third place, Fourth place. Third place with an average score of 91.65 goes to Tabaco National High School. Tabaco Albay. Bakit na Tabaco? Yaw pa ba? Tabaco. Second place with an average score of 91.87 goes to Nato National High School. Sabay. Camarines Sur. Nato. Okay. And our most disciplined unit under Category 1 for public schools with an average score of 93.62. Napadaman sa Ayun. Ay na sila po para agad. Sige. Ito na. Davao City Science High School. We will now proceed to the awarding of the most disciplined unit, Category 1. For private schools. Alright, guys. 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Thank you very much, and congratulations, Naga City Science High School. Most disciplined unit Category 1 for private schools. 10th place with an average score of 90.20 goes to La Consolacion College of Rick Brada, Iligan City. 9th place with an average score of 90.23 goes to Melixo Angelo Chico Foundation College, Sibocot, Camarines Sur. 8th place with an average score of 90.34 goes to United High School Incorporated, Caramuan, Camarines Sur. Caramuan. Okay. 7th place with an average score of 90.38 goes to St. Jude Agro Industrial Secondary School, Nabuak, Camarines Sur. 6th place with an average score of 90.48 goes to Liceo de Pasacao, Camarines Sur. Liceo de Pasacao, Camarines Sur. 5th place with an average score of 90.63 goes to Tigaon, Camarines Sur.
Goes to Santo Domingo Institute, Tabla, Camarines Sur. Third place, with an average score of 91.40, goes to Blessed Name of Mary Learning PD, Camarines Sur. Second place, with an average score of 91.68, goes to Holy Trinity College of Camarines Sur, Bato. And our lowest visited unit, category 1 for private schools, first place, with an average score of 92.46, goes to La Consolacion College of Daer. Most disciplined private school. We will now proceed with the awarding for the best marching unit CAT boys.
Teka lang.
Under category 2.
Di ako makontentong liyan ni Lucay.
10th place. With an average score of 86.44, goes to Gilberto Ubias, Kinalansan National High School, San Jose, Camarines Sur. Ninth place, with an average score of 86.71, goes to Malawak National High School, Dabloa, Camarines Sur. Eighth place, with an average score of 86.92, goes to Mula National High School. Seventh place, with an average score of 86.94, goes to San Vicente National High School, Buhi, Camarines Sur. Sixth place, with an average score of 86.96, goes to Dabloa National High School. Fifth place, with San Vicente National High School, 7th place. Fifth place, with an average score of 87.11, goes to Buhi St. Joseph Academy, Buhi, Camarines Sur. Third place, with an average score of 87.12, goes to San Ramon Pilot National High School, Laguroy, Camarines Sur. Third place, with an average score
Second place, with an average score of 88.12, goes to Bonifacio Bolívar Senior National High School, Anaman, Camarines Sur. Caramoan, Camarines Sur. Under category 2, with an average score of 90.96, Nakadubansa, University of St. Anthony, Iriga City. University of St. Anthony, Iriga City. Third place, the best marching unit, CAD Girls, category 2. With an average score of 87.28. Goes to Lagunoy High School, Lagunoy, Camarines Sur. Lagunoy, representative. Ninth place, with an average score of 87.48, goes to Mao National High School. Mao National High School, Mao, Camarines Sur. Ninth place, with an average score of 87.48, Mao National High School, Mao, Camarines Sur. Eighth place, with an average score of 88.01, goes to Tambo National High School, Buhi, Camarines Sur. Seventh place, with an average score of 88.05, goes to Manawag National High School, Namwa, Camarines Sur. Sixth place, with an average score of 88.20, goes to Namwa National High School. Namwa, tingnan mo. Fifth place, with an average score of 88.35, goes to Universidad de Santa Isabel Pili Campus. Fourth place, with an average score of 88.45, goes to Bonifacio Bolívar Senior National Bonifacio Bolívar Senior High School, Caramoan, Camarines Sur. Third place, with an average score of 89.40, goes to Cipriano Arroyo High School, Iriga City. Okay, thank you. Second place, with an average score of 90.45, goes to San Juan National High School, Lipanan, Camarines Sur. Kailan naman hirong ano? Sakat na. Okay na, thank you. Asin ang pinakamatibay na marching unit for CAT Girls under category 2, with an average score of 94.01, Nakadubansa, University of St. Anthony, Iriga City. University of St. Anthony, Iriga City.
May place ka? Ayaw kitang daras.
Kailangan mo nang magsabi. Grabe ng pagpupunta.
Most discipline, CAT unit, category 2, for public school. goes to
San Vicente National High School, Buhi, Camarines Sur.
Score of 90.54 goes to
Don Silveriano Platun Memorial High School, Inambak, Camarines Sur.
Don Silveriano Platun Memorial High School, Inambak, Camarines Sur. Game plays. With an score of 90.55 goes to
Namboa National High School, Namboa, Camarines Sur.
Seventh place with an score of 90.57 goes to
Manaoag National High School, Namboa, Camarines Sur.
sixth place with an average score of 90.61 goes to
San Isidro National High School, Victoria, Camarines Sur.
fifth place with an average score of 90.63 goes to
Bonifacio D. Bonifacio Junior High School, Caraboan, Camarines Sur.
fourth place with an average score of 90.65 goes to
Ocampo National High School, Ocampo, Camarines Sur. Ocampo.
second place with an average score of 90. Third place with an average score of 90.69 goes to
San Juan National High School, Lipanan, Camarines Sur.
second place with an average score of 90.72 goes to
Pamplona National High School.
and our most disciplined CAT unit under category 2 for public schools.
Pamplona.
With an average score of 90.76. Goes to
Severino Arroyo High School, Iriga City.
Severino Arroyo High School, Iriga City, most disciplined CAT unit under category 2. Most disciplined unit category 2, private schools. Apat lang ni partner. Third place with an average score of 90.67 goes to
Buhi St. Joseph Academy Incorporated, Buhi, Camarines Sur. Buhi.
third place
Ay, ito na Buhi.
Buhi. Kilala na yun, alumni. Third place School. Second place, Universidad de Santa Isabel. And our most disciplined unit, category 2 for private schools. May average score of 94.59. Most disciplined unit, category 2 for private schools.
Yan na, live po.
University of St. Anthony, Iriga City. Best marching unit, MAPE. May MAPE ba dito? MAPE boys. Third place, MAPE 1 boys. Best marching unit, MAPE 1 boys. Third place, with an average score of 90.82. Those two, Hobo National High School. Pinalabang ang Pagkain na Sur. Okay. Third place, with an average score of 90.92. Those two, La Victoria High School, Bulac, Camarines Sur. La Victoria High School, Bulac, Camarines Sur. Third place, with an average score of 91.13. Those two, Sagolong High School, Pili, Camarines Sur. Sagolong High School, Sagolong, Pili, Camarines Sur. Second place, with an average score of 91.71. Goes to Calabanga National High School, Calabanga, Camarines Sur. And our best marching unit, MAPE 1 boys. Kung may sagulong 93.98. Ibang Bilubong High School, Pili, Camarines Sur. Ay na mga taga Bilubong. Bilubong? Bilubong ba o Bilubong? Bilubong. Bilubong High School. Second place, Calabanga. Calabanga. Bilubong. Bilubong. Best marching unit, MAPE 1 girls. MAPE 1 girls. Fifth place, with an average score of 88.24. Goes to Medroso Mendoza High School of Calabanga, Camarines Sur. Third place, with an average score of 88.58, goes to La Consolacion College of Bao, Camarines Sur. La Consolacion College of Bao, Camarines Sur. Third place, with an average score of 88.93, goes to Sagurong High School of Pili, Camarines Sur. Sagurong High School, Pili, Camarines Sur. And on the second place, with an average score of 89.08, goes to Binabong High School of Pili, Camarines Sur. Binabong High School, Pili, Camarines Sur. And our score of 89.15 goes to
Pamukid National High School of San Fernando, Camarines Sur.
Pamukid National High School, San Fernando, Camarines Sur. Yaw na kita mga tugang sa most disciplined unit, MAPE 1.
Most disciplined unit, MAPE 1.
Fifth place
with a score of
91.62 goes to
Barceloneta Fisheries School of Cabusao, Camarines Sur.
Barceloneta Fisheries School, Cabusao, Camarines Sur. Fourth place
with a score of
91.68 goes to
La Consolacion College of Bao, Camarines Sur.
La Consolacion College, Bao, Camarines Sur. Third place with an average score of
91.71
goes to fifth place Barceloneta, fourth place La Consolacion College, third place Tomas Avila Andaya Senior National High School. With an average score of 91.71 goes to
Tomas Avila Andaya Senior National High School, Barangay, Camarines Sur.
Second place with an average score of 91.74 goes to
Magsaysay National High School of Tinambak, Camarines Sur.
And our most disciplined unit, MAPE 1. 92.76 goes to
Colegio del Santísimo Rosario, Libmanan, Camarines Sur.
Colegio del Santísimo Rosario, Libmanan, Camarines Sur. Best Marching Unit, MAPE Boys.
MAPE Boys.
MAPE 2 Boys, Category 2.
MAPE 2. Fifth place
with an average score of
86.65
goes to
Pamplona National High School of Pamplona, Camarines Sur.
Pamplona National High School, Pamplona, Camarines Sur. Double time, fourth place
with a score of
88.12
goes to
Bula National High School, Bula, Camarines Sur.
Bula National High School of Bula, Camarines Sur. Fourth place.
Third place
with a score of
88.14
goes to
Bonifacio D. Boribor Senior National High School, Caramoan, Camarines Sur.
Boribor. Bonifacio D. Boribor Senior. Bula muna. Ayan, bula ba? Bula.
Second place
with a score of
88.36
goes to
Ocampo National High School, Ocampo, Camarines Sur.
Ocampo National High School of Ocampo, Camarines Sur. Second place. 61.64
goes to
University of St. Anthony, Iriga City.
University of St. Anthony, Iriga City. Pano na ang bus kang Yusant kan sa indang trophy. Best Marching Unit Mapi Girls Category 2.
Fifth place
With an average score of
86.50
goes to
San Juan National High School of Libmanan, Camarines Sur.
mga tugang alas 7 na.
7:15.
Alas 7:04 ng Banggi. Fourth place
With a score of
87.25
goes to
Pamplona National High School, Pamplona, Camarines Sur.
Pamplona High School. Pamplona National High School.
Goal time. Third place
With a score of
87.40
goes to
Nabua National High School, Nabua, Camarines Sur.
Nabua National High School of Nabua, Camarines Sur. Third place.
Second place
With a score of
88.13
goes to
Universidad de Santa Isabel.
40.
goes to
Nabua National High School, Nabua, Camarines Sur.
Nabua National High School of Nabua, Camarines Sur. Third place.
Second place,
With a score of
88.13
goes to
Universidad de Santa Isabel, Pili Campus.
Universidad de Santa Isabel of Pili and Pili Campus.
And our best marching unit, Mapi 2 girls, with a score of
91.50
goes to
University of St. Anthony, Iriga City.
University of St. Anthony, Iriga City.
Na mawala, na masaktan, mapabayaan, pagkatao.
We come now to the most disciplined unit, Mapi 2,
Fifth place
with a score of
91.42
goes to
La Purísima National High School of Nabua, Camarines Sur.
La Purísima National High School, Nabua, Camarines Sur.
Ngayon na, nakaugat, nakaukit sa kasaysayan. Nagana, tayo na.
Fourth place,
With a score of
91.44
goes to
Bula National High School, Bula, Camarines Sur.
Bula National High School of Bula, Camarines Sur.
Ibay na lagi na.
Bula.
Viva la Viren!
Viva!
Third place,
With a score of
91.46
goes to
Universidad de Santa Isabel, Pili Campus.
Universidad de Santa Isabel, Pili Campus, Pili, Camarines Sur. Third place.
Second place,
With a score of
91.48
goes to
Pamplona National High School, Pamplona, Camarines Sur.
Pamplona National High School of Pamplona, Camarines Sur. Second place.
And our most disciplined unit, Mapi 2, with a score of
93.54
goes to
University of St. Anthony, Iriga City.
University of St. Anthony, Iriga City. We come now to the overall champion.
Overall champion for CAT 1, Category 1.
with 1 first place for Majorettes,
with 2 first place and 3 third place. The overall champion for CAT Category 1,
blessed name of Mary Learning School, Pili, Camarines Sur.
Blessed name of Mary Learning School of Pili, Camarines Sur. Overall champion for CAT Category 1.
Overall champion, MAPE 1.
Overall champion for MAPE 1 with 1 first place and 1 second place. And the overall champion for MAPE 1 goes to
Binobong High School, Pili, Camarines Sur.
Binobong High School of Pili, Camarines Sur. Overall champion, MAPE 1.
Nararanasan ang saya nating miti. Pinaglaban, pinangarap,
We come now to the overall champion, Category 2.
Category 2.
Ang lahat sinimulan.
Say the Category 2, there are 3 first place. 4 first place and 1 second place. And the overall champion for CAT Category 2 goes to
the University of St. Anthony, Iriga City.
Di maiiwasan, galaw at pagbaba.
the overall champion for MAPE 2 with 4 first place and 1 second place. The overall champion for MAPE 2 goes to
the University of St. Anthony, Iriga City. Diyan po nagkatapos mga tugang sa tuwing 11th Bicol Regional Military Parade. Sa ngaran po kan gobyerno lokal kang Syudad Dingnaga sa pamamagitan po ni Alcalde Nelson Ligacion, ni Vice Alcalde Nene de Asis, kan Bicol Regional Military Parade Executive Committee na pinapamuyuhan ni Konsehal Buddy del Castillo. Ansang mo yung pagpadyos mabalo sa tuwing mga katuwang Kabalikat Bicol, Kabalikat Civicom 143, V-Part Seal Incorporated, Philippine Eagles Club, Buswag Riders Eagles Club, Libmanan Rescue, Saber Rescue, Aces Incorporated, REACT, Police Hotline Movement, Newax Pili, Newax Partido, all reservists from the Philippine Army, Philippine Air Force, Philippine Navy, and Philippine Coast Guard, and to the Naga City Police Office, headed by Police Colonel Felix Servita. Mabalos po, marahay na banggi, Happy Fiesta, Bicol!
At ngayon, nandito na, nadarama, nakikita, nararanasan, ang saya nating miti. Pinaglaban, pinangarap, pinaghirapan, maumang lugar, puno ng ngiti at saya.